Cause it right down say.
Me a go show the people them we think say them wise. Say all of the sitting them where them think up are foolish. And all of the sitting them where them think smart. Me a go mash them up.
So then, what you think a go happen to the people them where think say them wise? What you think that mean for the law teacher them? What you think that I say about the people them will love argue about everything? God not done show say all of the sitting them where them people they think say them know are foolish. Cause people think say them wise. Left to themselves, them wouldn't know God. But since God really wise, He make it so that people could have get saved if them believe the same message where them say are foolish. The Jew them a look for miracle work before them believe. And the people them where are no Jew, them not go believe if the message we are preached no sound wise to them. But you see we preach about how Christ Jesus dead upon the cross to save we. The Jew them begs anytime them hear that message here. And the people them where are no Jew think they are foolish we talk. But you see the people them where God call for being pickney, whether them are Jew or them are not Jew, that message they show how God powerful and how Him wise. Cause the sitting them where God do where the people them where no believe take for foolish make more sense than anything where anybody could have think about. And where them look upon and say a weak God weak, it's stronger than the strongest thing anybody could have do. Brother and sister, think about how you did stay when God called you. Most of you, nobody never thinks you wise. Most of you, nobody never thinks you could have talk and make people do what you say. And a only little bit of you come from big important family. But God picked the sitting them where people think are foolish, so that Him can shame the one them where thinks them wise. God picked the sitting them where people think weak, so that Him could have shamed the people where thinks them strong. God picked the one them where nobody not think important, and where people look down upon. Him picked the one them where people think no what nothing, so that Him could have show the one them where think them are somebody, say them are really nobody. Him do that so nobody can come to Him and boast about how them wise and how them important. A God cause you to close with Jesus Christ. And a Jesus make we can know God and can understand certain things. God make we wise when we close with Jesus. And through we close with Jesus, God take away all our sin and make things right between we and Him. And so we are Him picking now. So, make we follow our right down in a God word.
If nobody a go boast about nothing,